Hi, there are actually four kinds of sleepers in general if we talk about. Back sleepers, side sleepers, stomach sleepers and combo sleepers. So let's talk about back sleepers first. Back sleepers are those kind of guys who require something which is not too firm and not too soft. So when the mattress is too firm for them, then they feel little tension near the shoulders and the lower back. And if the mattress is too soft for them, then the alignment of hip and shoulders go a little wrong, because of which they result a severe pain in the spine, right? Which is a little problem there. So these people require a mattress which is somewhere in the middle, not too firm and not too soft, right? So if I have to rate the mattress from 1 to 10, where 1 is the softest mattress and 10 is the firmest mattress, then these kind of people require mattress which is somewhere near 6.5. Like 6.5 is the industry standards for the mattress, which is in the middle, and that suits really well for back sleepers. Why this vibe is right for back sleepers? Well, it actually helps to lift and set the spine in neutral alignment. When I say neutral alignment, it basically refers to the idea of having an even line from the shoulders to the hips. It actually helps in preventing aches and pains as related to fibromyalgia and arthritis. Where back sleepers require balance, side sleepers are someone who require deep pressure in shoulders and hips. So they require a much softer mattress. And if I talk about the range of the softness, then somewhere between 4 to 6 out of 10 is the range that suits them really well, where we are keeping in mind that as per the industry standard, 6.5 is the medium firmness. So that kind of mattress which lands in 4 to 6 range is the mattress that suits perfect for side sleepers. Now let's talk about stomach sleepers. Stomach sleepers are those which are completely opposite to side sleepers. They require ultra firm mattress, which actually lifts the hips in line with the shoulders, and that gives them a comfortable sleep. So if they're actually using a softer mattress, what causes the problem here is that the hips go out of alignment with the spine, which actually cause a severe pain, a shooting pain in their spine and shoulders. So that is not comfortable at all. So if I talk about the range of the mattress, then they require a mattress which is in the range of around 7.5 to 9, right? If I talk about the firmness of the mattress, where we're keeping in mind that the industry standards for medium firmness is 6.5. So that is really important for them. So they look for something which is ultra firm, unlike side sleepers. Now let's talk about combo sleepers. These kind of sleepers require comfort of all three positions. So they require a mattress which is dynamic, which provides comfort over back, side and stomach as well. So I would recommend these sleepers a medium firm mattress, where the range, if I talk about, that lies at 6.5 out of 10 as per the industry standards, right? So they require that kind of a mattress, a medium firm mattress for a comfortable sleep. Medium firm mattress strike perfect balance between pressure relief and support. That's why they are perfect for combo sleepers. Now, they are soft enough to provide pressure relief to the shoulders while they are sleeping on the side, and they provide proper support to the hips while they are dozing on the back. So these are the people who require mattress which has mobility and bounce both.